ladies and gentlemen, I liked what the flyer for this extravaganza said or stated in explaining STEAM. It says STEAM is like cooking a big pot of food. You get something powerful and creative. We need to build a brighter future, ladies and gentlemen, where technology is going to be at the center. This is the path, ladies and gentlemen.
When you take a material and you heat it, what happens? It starts to expand. I have to warm it with my hand.
My favorite part was when the freezing liquid nitrogen. So when they froze the flour and sprinkled it everywhere, that was like the best part for me.
Basically, we are food security, one part. And then we have our essential oils, everything from plants, from your castor oil to your camphorated oils. We then we have microscopes set up, so for the students to see, because a lot of students that are coming in haven't been exposed to microscopes and they don't know what we can do. So we have a plant section and an animal section where they can look at cells within the microscope. And then we have our hydroponic system that you can see over here with lettuce. We're also trying to say that with our current climate and what's happening in the world, our soil is becoming contaminated with heavy metals. So what can we do, So we can grow lettuce seedlings without sand.
Previously this used to be STEM, which are science, technology, engineering and maths. So this year we're very pleased and excited that we could incorporate arts into it. Everything around us here is an aspect of design.
The fact that you can actually keep your DNA in like a little bottle thing. You can read it in a textbook, but it's different when you actually get to see it.
I hope they get a passion for science and mathematics because it is subjects that are busy dying out in schools. Students want to take the easy subjects, the easy way in school, but they need to understand that hard work does pay off and we need people in maths, sciences, technology, engineering to make our country great.
So physics helps us to know why things happen the way they happen and what makes them happen the way they do. And we'd like them to choose physics as one of their career choices.
We want you to go out there and change the world. And you are the future. We are rooting for you. We train our graduates for jobs that are not yet available. We prepare them so that when they go out there, they thrive. And when we are old and gray, we'll just smile when we hear you say you got that inspiration at the UJ STEAM extravaganza.